Ever dreamed of that perfect getaway, but hesitated because of the upfront flight cost? Then let me show you how to turn that dream into a reality using Klarna to book your flights. Klarna isn't just for everyday shopping. It's a game changer for travel budgeting. The core idea is simple. Klarna allows you to spread the cost of your airline tickets into flexible installments, making globetrotting more accessible than ever. So, how do we do it? First, you need to find airlines or travel agencies that partner with Klarna. Many popular booking sites now integrate Klarna seamlessly at checkout. When you're on your chosen airline's website or a partnered travel agency site, proceed to the payment page as usual. Look for the Klarna logo or the Pay with Klarna option. It's usually listed alongside other payment methods like credit cards or PayPal. Once you select Klarna, you'll be prompted to either log into your existing Klarna account or create a new one. This process is quick and usually just requires a few basic details. Klarna will then present you with your personalized payment options. This might include options to pay in a few installments over weeks or months, depending on the total cost and Klarna's terms for that specific purchase. Choose the plan that best suits your budget. You can typically see a clear breakdown of your payment schedule and the amount due for each installment. Complete the checkout, and congratulations, you've just booked your flight with flexible payments. Klarna handles the payments directly, so you can focus on planning your trip. By leveraging Klarna, you can manage your travel budget more effectively and make those dream destinations an instant reality. Happy travels!